Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to find the WISE TransferWise routing number. WISE is a game changer when it comes to international money transfers, and having access to your routing number comes with some big advantages. It allows you to receive payments just like a local. WISE gives you a US routing number, so if you're working with American clients or getting paid through US platforms, you don't need a traditional US bank account. Payments can come in directly, which saves you a lot of hassle. And the best part, it works just like a traditional bank account. Now let's get to the main part, how to actually find your WISE routing number. First, open the WISE app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll see your account overview on the main screen. To find your US routing number, tap on the US flag or the USD balance. On the next page, you'll see your recent USD transactions. Right under your balance, tap on the account details. Here, you'll see two sections, local and global. In the local section, you'll find your account holder name, the ACH and wire routing numbers, and your US account number. There's also a small copy icon next to each detail, so you can copy your routing or account number with just one tap. If you're looking for your global routing information, switch to the Global SWIFT section. There you'll find your account holder details, the routing number, and your SWIFT or BIC code. Sometimes you'll need to tap Reveal to see the full code. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, WISE is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free WISE account using the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.